Hi, I would like to show you ElementManager from ElementControl from CAS StandardLibrary. Let's start with this block. So we'll use this block in case that we would like to control different number of the same element of the same type. For example, the same number of motors or the same or different number of the same motors, the same engines, the same pumps. So let's say we have same elements. We define number of active elements which should run at the moment with this set point number of elements. We already discussed how can we use element order or element rotation. So I will use for that case, for example, element order. Let's say that in total we have 4 elements of the same type for motors. And this element order block gives us the row of position according to priorities from order 1 to order 4. So let's connect this block to ElementManager. Oh, I miss one. Yeah, that's it. And let's start to create something pretty. And on the output we have connected devices, which is device 1, Control C, Control V, device 2, device 2, device 3, and device 4. So in case that element order has all inputs 0, so the order of elements on its output is 1, 2, 3, 4. In case that I change it to 5, 15, 7, 3 motor hours, so the element with the highest priority is right now device 4, then device 1, then device 3, and then device 2. In mode 0, all devices are in off state. In case that we will start with fixed order, so fixed order must be in state 1. Great. Then we need to define set point number of elements, which says how many elements of the same type should run at the same time. So set point number of elements. So in case that we would like to let run one device, so device 4 will be active. In case that 2 devices, so device 1 will be active as well. In case that 3 devices, so device number 3 will also run. And in case that 4 devices, so 4 devices will run. In case that we decrement number of elements to 3, so immediately device number 2 go off. And in case that we would like to let it run 2 devices, so immediately device number with the lowest priority, which is number 3, will go, according to this number, will go out. So fixed order proceed changes immediately. So in case that I increment motor hours from 3 to 6, so the order will be changed and immediately the outputs are changed as well. First to, in case that the order is different. So now I change the order. In case that I increment again number of motor hours to 9, so immediately when we have change of order, so the output of this ElementManager change active outputs. For this mode we have also unavailable possibility. It means there is an alarm on device or minimal time off and so on. So in case that, for example, we will make device number 4, which is running at the moment, unavailable, device number 4, so the next device in the row will be turned on. In that case it's first, second, third position, which is device number 3 at the moment. So in case that device 4 is unavailable now, so the device number 3 is active at the moment. In case that device 1 will be unavailable as well, so next device in the row will be active, and in that case it's 1, 2. So let's try it. So device number 2 is active because device number 1 and 4 is inactive. In case the device number 4 is available with other 2, so immediately the device on the output of the ElementManager block is active, and in case the device 1 is also available, so immediately the output is changed to devices according to the position of the element order block. And that's it for mode fixed order, and how to work with float order we are going to see in next video.